everyone, and welcome back to Lipstick Affair with me, Miss Mo. So today, what am I doing? Oh, I'm doing a product review. Today I'm going to be doing a product review of Simone Beauty. And so I'm excited about this for a couple of reasons, and kind of like not mad or pissed off, but I'll get into that. So why I'm excited about this. I'm excited about this because Simone is funny as hell. And I just have a lot of respect for her in terms of how she has been able to, in a way, transform her life. I know she's always talking about manifest, manifest, manifest. Not to be rude, but whatever about that. I mean, that's important. But you just, when you just see somebody, transform their life, it is inspirational. It is, and so, yes, I just have a lot of respect for her. And it's kind of my feelings about this purchase from Simone Beauty because this lipstick was $16. And I was like, that is out of my lipstick budget. But because I like Simone, she's funny as hell, she's creative, and she just has a very focused and driven attitude, and I like that. So I have a lot of respect for her. So I was like, you know what? She can get my little coins this time. So I purchased not one, but two lipsticks from her. I can't remember what colors I actually purchased. Let me show. I can't. Oh, damn, B. She like, nobody ain't about to take y'all stuff. Y'all ain't about to come for me. Make it seem like I'm not doing my job and bringing y'all stuff with all this flimsy packaging. But, yeah, so this is my first time opening it on camera. Let's go. So I bought two lipsticks. I cannot remember the colors that I bought. So, let's see. So this is, I don't know if y'all can see that. It says Faith Over Fear, and it looks like this. So I look at the outer packaging when I'm doing my product reviews, get a feel for the company, because I think that detail can add to the character of the company. So I also look at the bottles itself of the lipstick, and just please excuse my nails. I was trying something, and then, because I'm a little rough around the edges, I just messed up my nails just doing other stuff. So the packaging is cute. The lipstick looks, this Moneymaker Red looks kind of cracked inside. Okay, and then this link in bio, it's like a nice little pretty, subtle lip color look, like a brownish look. So because I like my reds, let me try this red first. Okay, it's a little twist off top. The case for the lipstick is very pretty. I will say that. The case for the lipstick is very pretty. I'm just nervous because it. Oh, okay. So like, let me see. Okay, B girl. Okay, so the way it looks. Okay, so I like matte lipsticks, liquid matte lipsticks, which is why I wanted to get this lipstick. So the way it looks like it's not going to be a liquid matte lipstick. So that's why I was just kind of concerned, like, dang, this thing already cracking, and I paid $16 for it, and it wasn't on sale. But it's like the design, it's like, okay, this is supposed to be designed like a lipstick, but it's going to look, but you getting a liquid matte. So, yeah, I like that. Okay, that's cute. All right, so I already scrubbed my lips, and I lightly prepped them with some chapstick. So let's see. Okay, no smell. Or a very, very slight, very, very slight smell. Okay. How do I describe it? The way it goes on. So like the applicator is kind of has a wide surface. Um, which is fine because I got big lips. So, it's very helpful to have. But I do like when the applicator is kind of like just a little pointy. Just to get like some areas at the top, like where the cupid, what is this thing called? Whatever this part is called. Just like to get those areas a little bit better. And to do have less spillage when I'm trying to get to like my lip line. Um, because I feel like you don't necessarily have that much control when you have an applicator that looks like this. But definitely helpful for my bottom lip because my bottom lip is super big. So yeah, the color is very beautiful. Um, y'all, it dries fast. My goodness. That's why I was kind of like the texture of the lipstick formula is kind of like, it's not kind of liquidy, it's kind of like a thickness. It feels kind of thick. Um, and so I didn't think it would dry this fast, but it does dry fast. And it's not uncomfortable to put on. It doesn't tingle my lips. It's a very, 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 very small smell. But you can barely smell it. Ooh, it dries fast. Yes. Fuck yeah. Fuck yeah. It dries fast. So that is just so helpful to know. Um, and so yeah, I really like this color though. I think it's bright, it's pretty, it dries fast. Yeah, let's see. Okay. I think it's probably easy to come off too. So, yeah. It kind of reminds me like a mixture of the, see, like, let's say, for example, Lip Bar. The formula in Lip Bar, it's a little bit more liquidy. Um, but this formula reminds me more so of like the sugar pill formula. Like it's kind of thick, um, but it goes on good. And then if you can even see this, how the applicator is a little different. It's like a little, kind of like a little arrow to it. That's what I was talking about. Like I like when the applicator kind of looks like that because I feel like it's just easier to get like kind of corner areas. But overall, pretty color. Application is good, no smell, and cute case. So, and it dries fast. So I really like it. B, you shouldn't have. But okay, I'm gonna take this off and then I am going to, what am I gonna do? I'm gonna try this second color and then that will be all. Cause again, I'm on a budget and $16. So I only bought two. Because that was definitely out of my budget. But I'm starting to see that it was kind of worth it. So we're gonna move on to this next color, but I'm going to take this off. And if this is your first time watching one of my videos, I usually take off my lipstick with coconut oil and some water and a wash rag. My lips are clean and prepped and ready to go. So yeah, so let's try this second color. Again, this is called Link in Bio. I wonder why it's called that, but whatever. So yeah, I really like this packaging of the lipstick. It is very cute. Okay. Y'all, where did the color go? My damn. Ow. Oh my goodness. I mean, wow. Um, it barely looks like I have anything on. How am I going to use this color in the future? Okay. So I mean, that's basically it. This is a very quick review because again, only about 2 lipsticks because they were $16 each, and that's out of my budget. But I'm glad I purchased it because again, I like B Simone. I like her hustle, and I respect her hustle. So, yeah. But I will say overall, I really do like the lipstick. The formula is kind of thick for me. Um, and so, like I was saying earlier, when I'm applying it, it's definitely kind of like, it's not necessarily an easy application because of the thickness of the formula. However, when you do, apply it and let it sit, it does dry pretty fast, which is great. And I do think that you do have to do like 2 coats just to make the color, not only to make the color pop out a little bit more, but just to make sure that you completely put the lipstick everywhere. Because I noticed like, because my lips are 2 different colors, like my bottom lip could easily take the color because it's lighter than my top lip. So I need to make sure that I put like a double coat on my top lip just to make sure like everything was just kind of even with my bottom lip. Um, so the formula is kind of like, it's thick and light at the same time. It's thick in terms of the actual feel of it, but then it's light when you put it on, and it kind of makes it feel like there's nothing on your lips, which is always, that's great because you don't want to be uncomfortable with stuff on your lips. Um, so, but like this, like it's a nude color. Like, I don't know, just look like I ain't nothing on my lips. Um, But yeah, but overall, I like the product. As usual, when I'm doing, because I usually do like a product review of like, well, I'm not gonna say I usually do because that can always change. But I am going to do a product vlog of these lipsticks. And usually I try to do the product vlogs of like matte lipsticks because matte lipsticks, especially like liquid matte lipsticks, are supposed to last a little bit longer. So I'm definitely gonna do a product vlog of these, so be on the lookout for that. And then yeah, but that's about it. You know what, before I sign out, I think I'm gonna add some gloss to my lips just to see how it will look with some gloss on top of it. So I got this Wet n Wild lip gloss. It's discolored and all that stuff. It was not originally pink. uh, so, but whatever, I'm gonna take this lipstick off anyway. um So I'm just want to add this lip gloss to see, you know, how it will look. I think it might look good with like a lip liner or something, but Oh, it easily comes off. You know what? Okay. Not all lipstick is perfect. And the fact that I was able to add this color to it or add this lip gloss to it and how it just interacts with it just lets me know that to be mindful about how I'm adding it if I use this color in the future. Okay, so let me take this off. But thank you all for watching Lipstick Affair. I'll see you all next time.